Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? Anchor coin holder, congratulations to Anchor price will pump up absolutely after a very long time. Anchor coin will, my friends, take a very huge profit. Definitely after a very long time, my friends. But this is very good time, my friend, for all Anchor coin holder. Anchor coin price will increase plus 3.59% just in only last 24 hours. So I am so happy because I am also holder. But don't worry, my friend, as you can see here, if they will fail down for a short time, so definitely after that they will take a very long time, long jump, my friends. I told you in my every video, my friend, in previous days, my friends, too, they are doing like that. But you cannot take a serious, and definitely, my friend, as you can see here, today we will need, my friends, to kill them easily now. My friends, the price of Anchor coin will hour by hour, minute by minute increasing. But my friend, as you can see here, this time the Anchor coin price short jumps, my friend. Absolutely all holders, my friend, in out of country everywhere are be get on very hard condition now, my friend. So please, holder, if you want to get a profit now, then do this. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, my all Anchor coin holder. Please, if you want to get a profit, if you want to get a profit now, this is a chance. But please, we will miss now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel.